What's up, Justin?
We going?
Yeah, we're live.
All right, the old Sunpie.
All right. We got one more thing we want to do before Windrock when we go on our night rides. We got some nice Sunpie. Actually, I think they're Sunpie. Rock lights. Yeah. I say we call them Sunpies.
Silent N. Nice little remote. That's neat. Let's see.
We got a nice, really, really thick,
Heavy gauge
power wire.
Ooh, Apple Store. Look at that. Google Play. Fancy.
Oh yeah, it's got an app. I can get the app for it.
Neat.
Yeah.
All right. So
I probably won't use that because we'll have no service.
No. You got your remote.
Check them out.
Oh, look at that. So you're telling me you can just mount them right around your cage?
Oh yeah, she's got that curve in the mount. That's it.
Some high quality LEDs in there.
Oh yeah. American chips, not China. Same, mate.
Dang, dude. I think yours should be way brighter than mine.
Nah,
You
they're
look
the
at
same.
mine.
What you got?
LEDs look a little better.
Oh shit. Damn, Justin, what do you got? China garbage in it? Just kidding. Just kidding. This is China garbage, but I do like these though because they have connectors on them and we don't have to force.
The whole rock light through there, that was pretty neat.
Oh, yeah. So we got the 4-piece McNugget right here.
Let's put some electrical tape on here.
Oh yeah.
Should go pretty good.
We got O-ring in there? Probably not.
That's a negative on the O-ring.
Yeah,
Maybe down there, I don't know. I don't think so.
So as soon as we hit any water, I'm gonna lose all 4 of them. All this time, they just burn out. Yeah, we're gonna mount them kind of like Justin has his, with some custom effed up fab rock light mounts, and then here's how he's got the front up there. I like that. I do like that. Yeah, this is our material that we're using. This is high quality aircraft grade aluminum. What do you think, 24 gauge? Something thin-ish. Should work. Justin's gonna cut out some mounts. Because the last time I used cutoff wheel, I lost my finger. No, I'm just kidding. Everybody without a finger is gonna be like, that's so funny.
Uncle Frank.
Yeah.
When he hears this video.
Yeah. Uncle Frank's like, that's me, man. Just kidding, Uncle Frank. All right. We had a question in our comment section about how good someone fits in this machine with the audio roof, so we're gonna do a little test.
With the helmet on?
With the helmet on.
There you go.
It's recording.
Yeah.
So I'm 6 foot
Slap
up here.
your hell yeah. Showing your fancy
sick.
helmet.
I'm 6'4". I'm a big boy. Broad shoulders. And it's in the highest position. So you might have to duck down a little bit. But other than that,
Let's see. Oh, easy. Don't break your seat. So yeah, you get a couple inches.
I mean,
Yeah, she's a little
tight.
You hit some big bumps and the old retractable harnesses. You might move a little bit, but
Yeah, I'd probably maybe lower it down if you're as tall as I am.
yeah, but
A good thing we don't run helmets.
that's safety third.
That's right. You want to put this on? Or you want to put
Yeah.
your own helmet on? I got lice, so. Well, it's not lice. It's larva.
Nurse.
And Justin's gonna get in. You're 6 foot, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, you got a little bit more.
Yeah.
I think you got plenty. Act like you're riding.
Yep, head didn't hit, so.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's cool. And plus, you can lower the seat a little bit too if you wanted to, right?
Yeah, the seat's in the highest position right now, so you could take the 2-inch spacers out of the back and drop the front to the lower hole, and you'll get quite a bit more clearance.
Yeah. Cool. We address that. All right, we got the old rock lights mounted. Got a nice little mount right there. And we went with the sway bar bolt up front here, pointed kind of down at the old A-arm. And yeah, so we got that mounted, and then we have all of our electrical wired up. Nicely looking like a rat's nest. So we're gonna do a test. Jesse, go shut the lights off. Shut my headlights off too. All right, let me step back here. Gonna lay it on.
Big poles.
All right, come on.
Turns out computer's fried.
All right, there's blue. We got the old strobe. All right, all right. Then that is white. What do you guys think? All right, or what? Pretty cool, huh? Red. I told Justin this. If you see us riding in red, just know we're fucking pissed.
Danger.
Yep.
See us riding in yellow, that means I have to poop.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's the old rock light install. Justin, hit the lights. All right, what do you think, Lo?
I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue? Mine too.
No, I'm green.
Yours is green, huh?
Colorblind.
The lighter shade of gray.